Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing really well. Today we are going to learn about keyboard and mouse. Though we are already familiar with the keyboard and the mouse, but in this chapter we will learn some more about them. Okay, so let's start our chapter more on keyboard and mouse. Chapter profile: keyboard, keyboard keys, mouse, types of computer mouse and functions of the mouse. Brain boosting: find and circle the name of following pictures in the word grid. Okay, so you have to find keyboard and mouse in this word grid. Okay, the keyboard and mouse are two important parts of a computer. Okay, you already know that keyboard and mouse are the main parts of the computer. Okay, and they are very important also. So let us take a closer look at these two important parts. First, keyboard. The keyboard is a device that consists of keys. It helps us to type and give commands to the computer. A keyboard generally has 104 keys. Okay, so this is the picture of keyboard. Okay, and the buttons are known as the keys. So there are 104 keys in a keyboard. Keyboard keys. Keyboard has many keys which are used for special functions. Let us learn about these keys. Okay, so there are some special keys which are used for some specific function. Okay, so let's learn about them. First, shift key. Shift key is present at two places on the keyboard. Shift key is used along with other keys to perform different functions. Okay, see, here is a picture. This is how shift key looks and it is present at two places. Okay, two main functions of the shift key are typing capital letter. If we press and hold the shift key and then press an alphabet key, the letter will be typed in capital case if the caps lock is turned off. It does reverse when the caps lock is turned on. Next function is typing upper symbol. To type the upper symbol from the key containing two symbols, shift key is used in combination with that key. Okay, so always remember, shift key is used in combination. Okay, if you have to type the upper symbol. Next key is symbol keys. Symbol keys are the keys which contain special signs and symbols. These keys contain mathematical symbols, punctuation marks, various types of brackets, etc. Okay, so symbol key consists of like punctuation marks you have and various type of brackets. Okay, some symbol keys are present to the right of alphabet keys, while some on the number keys above the alphabet keys. Special symbol placed over the keys are, okay, so these are the special symbols, like this is the punctuation mark, at the rate, dollar, hashtag, hash, dollar symbol, then there is percentage. Okay, so these are the special symbols. Okay, so here you can see the picture of special symbols. Okay, next is tab key. Tab key is used to move cursor several spaces forward at once. Okay, means you have to move forward and you have to move several spaces, then you will use tab key. Okay, it is like pressing the space bar 3 or 4 times continuously. Okay, it means you don't have to press continuously space bar key if you want to give a space 3 or 4. Okay, so in that case you will use tab key, right? Pressing tab key with shift key moves the cursor several spaces backward, and if you press tab key with combination of shift key, then your cursor will move several spaces backward. Okay, next is caps lock key. The caps lock key is on the left hand side of the keyboard. When the caps lock is switched on, the indicator light on the top right corner of the keyboard glows, telling you that the caps lock is on and allows you to type in capital letters. Okay, so with the help of caps lock key, you can type your letters in uppercase. Okay, but just remember to turn it on. You can press caps lock key again to switch off the light so that you can type in small letters. Okay, and if you want to type in small letters, then you have to switch off the caps lock key, right? Next is control key. There are two control keys on the keyboard. The control key is used for several purposes in combination with other keys. For example, if you're working on a document, then simply press Ctrl plus S key simultaneously to get your work saved. Okay, so there are two control keys. Okay, this is how control key look, and we use this key with combination with other keys. Okay, next is print screen. Print screen key is used to click a snapshot of a present computer system screen. Okay. Next is window key. Window key opens the start menu in Microsoft Windows. It is also used in combination with other keys like window key plus a D, which minimize everything on the screen and shows the desktop. Okay, so here is a picture of window key. This is how it looks. Okay, and we use this key with combination with other keys also, right? Crisscross time. So write the number of following keys present on the keyboard in the given box. Okay. Next, function keys. A keyboard contains 12 function keys numbered from F1 to F12. Okay, as you can see here in the picture, these are the function key. These keys from the top row of the keyboard. Each function key performs a different function. Means here are 12 function key and every key has a different and particular function. Okay, many a times the function keys are used with other keys to perform a job. Okay, and also we can use these keys with combination with other keys also. Okay. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device attached to the computer. It is used to point and select items on the computer screen. It is also used while playing games and making drawings. Okay, suppose we want to point something on computer screen or we want to select something on the computer screen, then we use mouse. Okay. Types of computer mouse. Earlier the mouse had 2 or 3 buttons and no scroll wheel. But now only scroll mouse are used. So there are different types of scroll mouse. Okay, so let's learn about them. First, ball mouse. This mouse has a ball under it. The ball helps in moving the pointer. Okay, so in this mouse, with the help of ball, we move the pointer. Okay. Next is optical mouse. This mouse doesn't have a ball under it. It uses a light that helps in moving the pointer. Nowadays, a laser mouse is also available in the market that has a laser light under it. Okay, so say you can see laser mouse is also used nowadays. Okay. Wireless mouse. This mouse is not attached to the CPU box through a wire. Okay, as the name suggests, wireless means there is no wire attached to this mouse. It works through signals. A wireless mouse can be a ball mouse or an optical mouse. Okay. Fact boot. The busy pointer icons can be an hourglass or a spinning circle. It means the computer is busy in processing. Okay. Now, let's learn function of the mouse. We can perform different tasks using a mouse. Let's learn about them. Clicking. Pressing and releasing a mouse button is called clicking, which you already know. Okay. So there are different mouse clicks. Single click. When we press the mouse button once, it is called single click. Okay. To single click, move the pointer to any object, click left mouse button, the object is selected. Okay. So when you press the button only one time, that is known as single click, and by single click we can select an object on the computer screen. Okay. Next is double click. When we press the mouse button 2 times quickly, it is called a double click. Of course, if you press the mouse button twice, it is double click. And to double click, move the pointer to any object. Click left mouse button 2 times quickly, the program opens. Okay. Next is right click. When we press the right mouse button once, it is called right click. It opens a menu of the properties of the selected item. So if you click right mouse button, what will it do? It will open the menu of the properties of the selected item. Okay. Drag means to press the left mouse button and move the mouse while keeping it pressed. Drag is used while drawing picture. Okay. So while dragging, we keep pressed left mouse button, right? Next is drop. Drop is used to move an item from one place to another. Scrolling. Scrolling helps us to move a page on the screen up or down. To scroll, place the finger on the scroll wheel and move it up or down. Okay. So for scrolling, we use this scroll wheel, which is found between the 2 buttons. Okay. Now revision time. Keyboard is an input device. Keyboard has many special keys which are used for special functions. Key combination is the use of 2 or more keys on keyboard to generate a specific result. There are different types of mouse such as 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse and scroll mouse. Nowadays, scroll mouse is used instead of the other 2. There are different mouse clicks like single click, double click, right click, drag and drop and scrolling. Okay students, I hope you have understood this chapter. Now you will do practice of the exercise of this chapter.